Hey everybody, I'm Bobby with We Do Boats. Today we're introducing the 2024 WeDo TC3012 Turbo. That's right, turbo. You guys wanted more power, and now you're getting it. In a world that demands immediate results, prepare to witness the power, performance, and precision of the WeDo TC3012, the ultimate workboat. For more than 20 years, WeDo has defined the standard for environmentally safe, affordable, and effective waterway maintenance. You asked, and we delivered the ultimate blend of propulsion and portability. Nothing cleans waterways better than we do.